Hey everyone, this is my bike check. I'm running the Cult AK Signature frame 21-inch. I'm running the Quattros Cult in 8.6 high rise. The white van grips. I have the front load animal stem. I have the Cult forks. I'm running the brand new Gum van checkered wall tires. I like them. They're nice and they squeak. I'm running 4 pegs, 2 black ones. I don't know what kind they are. I found them. And I'm running 2 blue Shadow Conspiracy pegs from an old bike. I have the Galaxy Odyssey seat with the Cult seat post. I have the polished Primo sprocket. Pretty cool. I have some cranks. I don't know what kind they are, but they're really good. For me, at least. I don't know if anyone else likes them or not. I have the Odyssey PC pedals in white. I have the Demolition Free Coaster laced to a Cinema 777 rim. And I have the black Cinema 777 rim. Yeah, this is my bike check. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.